Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am.
Louder, please.
Good day, ma'am. I am Maria Teresa Changson. I came from Canlubang, Laguna. I was born on September 15, 1979.
Okay.
I have one kid
How old?
and 2 years and 5 months old.
2 years and 5 months. Okay. Who will be the one who take care of your kids while you work in Hong Kong?
Taking my kid is my mother.
Your mother. Okay. What did you finish?
High school graduate.
High school graduate. Okay. Please tell us about your work experience.
I used to work to Amertron, operator machine,
Okay.
and I used to work cashier in Queen Francine canteen.
Okay. And any more? Something? Any other work you have?
I work at home. I work at home.
Okay.
Housekeeping.
To your own home.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any related experience as a domestic helper?
Yes, yes, yes. I have experience working housekeeping. When my sisters go to their work.
Okay, you're the one who stay in their house.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. Because I have my own big child.
Okay, you're the one who take care of your own child during since born.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about naughty little children? Do you have patience taking care of them?
I have found little children
Okay.
have naughty.
Okay, even the naughty ones.
Even adult.
Okay, what will you do if your prospective employer advise you not to take day off for a week or even for a month? Is it okay for you?
Yes, ma'am. Is it okay for me? I prefer.
Okay, you prefer not to take day offs?
Yes, ma'am. I prefer to not to take day off.
Okay, it's okay for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Have no day offs for a month.
It's okay for me, ma'am.
Okay, can you sing a simple song for our little children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't be shy. Go on.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
How I
How
wonder
I wonder
what you
see.
are up above the world so high.
Like a diamond in the sky.
Okay. Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn Chinese language?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn because it's better to learn Cantonese word. It's better to communicate my employer.
Especially the old ones.
Especially the old ones.
Please tell us something about your personality.
I'm hardworking, obedient, trustworthy.
What else? Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because of much higher salary to
Okay.
much better to help my family in Philippines.
Okay. Is it possible there's an old man or old woman may be sick or bedridden living with your employer? Are you willing to take care of them?
Yes, I am, ma'am.
Okay. Are you afraid of pets like dogs and cats?
Not really, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have pets in your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have dogs?
Yes, ma'am. ma'am.
Okay. Would you like to say anything else to your prospective employer?
Sir, ma'am, if you choose me, I work hard and I work hard
Mm-hmm.
and I promise to work hard.
Mm-hmm.
Work hard and
Okay. Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract without doing any trouble?
yes, ma'am, I finished my 2-year contract in
Mm-hmm.
Hong Kong
Okay.
as a domestic helper.
Can you promise to your prospective employer that you can obey all the rules and regulations assigned or tasked by you in their house?
Yes, ma'am, I obey their
Rules.
their
Okay. Rules and regulation.
their rules and regulations.
Okay. Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am, I finished my contract as a domestic helper.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.